Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the Holosun 407K and 507K. Let's start right away with a quick unboxing. The packaging is almost the same for both devices and there's nothing out of the ordinary inside. At first glance it might seem like these two red dot sights are identical. And they pretty much are. The only real difference is the reticle. The 507K offers a multi-reticle system, allowing you to switch between a 2 MOA dot, a 32 MOA circle and a combination of both. Or, if you're feeling a bit special, you can turn it off completely and use none of them. It wouldn't be very helpful, but it would certainly be unique. The 407K is available with only a 6 MOA dot. But both models can be purchased with either a red or green reticle. Both models use the Holosun K footprint standard. This footprint is similar to the Shield RMS-C standard, but unfortunately they're not interchangeable. You can mount a Shield optic on a Holosun K footprint, but you can't mount a Holosun K series red dot onto a Shield footprint, as the Shield has 2 extra pins. Also keep in mind that the Holosun 407K and 507K have a different footprint than the 407C and 507C. The 407K and 507K use a CR1632 battery with a life expectancy of up to 50,000 hours at brightness setting 6. There are 12 brightness settings in total. Both models have the same aluminum housing, the same window size and are IP67 certified. They also feature Shake Awake, which turns the device off when idle and powers it back on when motion is detected. Co-witnessing shouldn't be a problem either, but that will mostly depend on the iron sights you're using. I'm also a huge fan of the battery compartment design, which allows you to change the battery without having to dismount the entire red dot. Which brings us to the next section. If you'd like to replace the battery, simply take the included tool, unscrew the battery tray screw, remove the tray and swap the battery. The positive side should face downward. Then put the tray back in and tighten the screw. The battery is included in the package, but I always recommend buying an extra one just in case. When installing the red dot sight onto your pistol, the user manual recommends tightening the screws to 15 inch-pounds. The included screws have thread locker pre-applied, so there's no need to use any additional thread locker. To turn the device on, press either plus or minus button. To turn it off, press both buttons at the same time. These buttons also adjust the brightness. To change the reticle, hold the minus button for 3 seconds. To enter lockout mode, if you don't want to accidentally change your settings, hold the plus button for 3 seconds. To adjust windage and elevation, use these 2 turrets. And that's everything for today's video. Subscribe for more and I'll see you next time.